To build up a RC phase shift oscillator circuit like this one, you must have an IC named UA741CP. The name of the IC is denoted by last 3 digits, that is 741. So by using IC 741 and one potentiometer, few resistor and few capacitors and 2 diodes, you can produce a RC phase shift oscillator circuit which is capable to produce this type of sinusoidal signal, and frequency of this sinusoidal signal can be changed by varying the potentiometer knob. So I am varying this knob and you can see the frequency is increased, and if we again rotate this knob, the frequency of the signal is decreased. So if you want to build up circuit like this, you have to watch this video till end. Now those who are aware about the legs numbers of an IC, or those who can count the legs, you can skip this part of the video, and those who are not familiar with the legs numbers of an IC, watch this video with me. So let's see every single IC. See, on every ICs you can see there is a semicircular cutted area. This is made up for you. That's you can count the legs numbers. To count that, you must have placed this semicircular cutted area along your left hand, and after that you start counting. That one is first leg, that one is second, third, fourth. After that you rotate in this way, that is clockwise, and this leg is called fifth leg, sixth leg, seventh and eighth leg. Similarly, for example, in this IC, first leg, second leg. Why I am saying first leg? Because this semicircular cutted area is placed along my left hand. So this leg first, and similarly other legs are counting. And now we are going to see how we can denote this IC named IC86, and for example this IC is named IC 741. How we can read that? Here you can see 741 CP. So before that alphabets, the number was 741. So this IC 741. For example, this IC 32. This IC's name would be IC 32. So that's how you can know the IC's name and legs numbers of an IC. And now we look at our circuit and see how we can build that circuit. So here you can see this IC 741 is placed at breadboard properly, and after that we have given the plus 15 volt power supply to the 7th leg of that IC. This leg is 7th leg, and after that we have given negative 15 volt on the 4th leg of that IC. You can see this wire is carrying negative 15 volt, and after that the common terminal is grounded in this point on the breadboard. So these terminals are all grounded. Now to build RC phase shift oscillator, you must have this type of RC single circuits, that is C, those are capacitors are called C, and R are called resistors. So by using this type of design we can make RC phase shift oscillator. That is, from the second leg we have carried a resistor in series. After that resistor is series connected with capacitors, and after that those capacitors are grounded using this resistor. After that there is a series connection of capacitors here. After that those capacitors are grounded using this resistor. After that finally these capacitors are connected this capacitor in series, and finally the output of these capacitors are taken from here to the leg number 6 of that IC. And after that you can see at output, that one is leg 6, the output will be seen like that. So by using 15 volt DC power supply, you can easily build this type of circuit which is capable to produce AC signal from DC signal, and by varying these knobs we can vary the frequency of the generated signal. So now I am rotating this knob and you can see the variation of frequency in the oscilloscope. Again rotating this one, you can see